Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So guys, if you have ever wanted to make your own perfume oil at home, then this video is for you. Perfume oils are loved because they last longer, they feel softer on the skin, and the scent stays with you in a very natural way. The one that we are making today is simple, sweet, and long lasting. You don't need fancy tools or too many ingredients. You just need a few mix of the right oils and you have something that smells professional, balanced, luxurious, and beautiful. And let me quickly say this before we start. This is not some random roadside mixture, okay? This is a proper perfume oil recipe with top, middle, and base notes, the same structure that real perfume houses use. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. So first, I'm going to start by introducing the ingredients to you that we're going to be using, and then go ahead to start showing you how to mix this luxurious perfume oil. The first one here is IPM. This is going to be our base oil, and honestly it is one of the biggest secrets to professional perfume oils. IPM is not like your regular oils that sit heavily on your skin and sometimes stain your clothes. This one gives you that dry, sticky feel, like when you rub a real perfume oil and it disappears into your skin almost immediately, leaving only the scent behind. If you have ever used those imported perfume oils that smell rich but don't leave any greasy shine and don't stain your skin, then that's the IPM effect. But don't worry, if you don't have IPM right now, you can use fractionated coconut oil or even grapeseed oil. Just know that those ones may feel slightly more oily on the skin, but the results will still be amazing. So the next one here is peach fragrance oil. This is the star of the show. Peach is soft, it is fruity and very feminine, but it's not childish, okay? It doesn't smell sugary or like sweet. It smells like fresh, juicy skin on a clean woman. I love peach because it's inviting without being too loud, and it gives that expensive kind of vibe. So we're going to be needing this, and this is our top note, okay? Then we have mandarin. Mandarin also add that fresh pop on top of the peach. It's slightly citrusy, but it's soft and not sharp. It gives the perfume a bit of brightness, like like sunshine in the morning. Okay, so we're going to be adding this one, and this is also a top note. And then we have orange blossom. I love this one because it gives that floral skin scent, soft, fresh, and beautiful. Orange blossom smells like you just want fresh clothes dried in the sun. It's subtle, but it brings that clean, classic energy to the blend. So we're going to be adding it, and this is a middle note. And then we have vanilla. Vanilla brings in the warmth. It helps blend the peach and the floral fragrances together, and it adds a creamy softness that makes the perfume feel cozy and romantic. You know, that kind of scent you want somebody to remember you by. That's vanilla. Okay, and then we have white musk. This is one of my must-haves in perfume making. Musk doesn't really have a strong scent on its own, but it gives your perfume that clean skin finish, like you smell good, but I don't know what it is. It also helps the perfume last longer on your skin and clothes. Okay, and musk and vanilla, they are base notes. Next one here is fixative. Now, every good perfume oil needs something called a fixative. Fixative is an ingredient that makes the scent to last longer on your skin or on your clothes. So if you want your perfume oil to last for like 24 to 48 hours on your clothes, then you need a fixative. There are different kinds of fixative, but for this video I'm using this type. But if you don't have a fixative, that's fine. You can still go ahead and make your perfume oil like that. But if you're selling this out, it's good that you add a fixative. Okay, so now let's get started. So you're going to be needing your perfume oil bottle, or if you prefer to use a beaker, that's fine. And you're also going to be needing your pipette. So I'm going to be making a total of 5 ml perfume oil. I'm just going to measure everything inside this bottle. All right, so I'm going to start by adding in my base oil, which is my IPM. So So I'm going to add 4 ml of my IPM into this bottle, and then I'm going to fill in the rest parts with my fragrance oils. So after adding my IPM, the next one is my peach fragrance oil. This is our top note, so I'm going to be adding 8 drops of peach fragrance oil. And then next, I'm going to be adding mandarin. I'm adding 3 drops of mandarin oil. And then I'm going to be adding orange blossom. I'm adding 3 drops of orange blossom. And then next, I'm going to be adding vanilla. I'm going to be adding 4 drops of vanilla. And then I'm going to be adding 1 drop of white musk, and then I'm going to be adding 1 drop of fixative. So this is what the perfume oil looks like after adding everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and shake it up so it can mix properly. So I call this perfume Peach Kisses. It's so nice and it smells so good. Okay, so after making your perfume oil, you have to let it sit for 24 to 48 hours so that everything can blend in well and it will smell richer and more luxurious. But if you're impatient, you can go ahead and use it immediately. It doesn't matter. Okay, so congratulations, you just made your own luxurious, elegant and long-lasting perfume oil at home. So you can use this perfume oil on your wrist, your neck, behind your ears, or even layer it under your armpits before your deodorant. You can even add it to your creams, your lotion, your mist, just get creative with it. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you give this perfume oil a try. It's simple, it's effective, and it smells so good and luxurious. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below, and if you want to work with me, maybe you want me to produce your own perfume oil line for you, you can reach me on WhatsApp and let's discuss business. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.